is possible? You should be dead!
Quark! Tao and Susie. Evo.
General Azimuth.
Kronk. Zephyr. Percival. Nefarious. And you are?
I don't know how long he survived before Tachyon him.
I did manage to restock your dark matter missile array, so if you'd like, we can make a quick stop and retrieve it.
Are you really my father?
No! Bad, Mr. Dingles! Bad!
The universe will need a true hero to stop it. Are you ready?
Nope.
General Alistair Azimuth, 4-Bolt Magistrate of the Lombax Praetorian Guard, Elder Councilman for the Center for Advanced Lombax Research.
Will you marry me?
General?
Oh dear.
Hey there!
Fool! I told you to me.
Oh, it's you two! Almost didn't recognize you in high def.
And you, my dear boy, look just like Alistair Azimuth.
It's huge. So huge, in fact, that if you lost your car keys in it, they would be almost impossible to find.
Not again!
Now why aren't you with the Lombaxes?
Because I failed them! Forgive me. General Alistair Azimuth, 4-Bolt Magistrate of the Lombax Praetorian Guard, Elder Councilman for the Center for Advanced Lombax Research.
Will you shut up?
Why did you save me?
I don't know. You would have done the same for me, right?
Yeah!
It's not working! It's the Shambi Dustbin!
Wait, so that's it? What about the Lombaxes?
They're not in danger. They've just moved on. And we'll find them.
You just need to stop being so self-absorbed and whiny.
Alone. 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 Buddy by Quark. Oh, you... So you know where we are. That's great.
You've been nothing but a giant pain in my... I wish you'd... Don't... Get off. You do... What? Yourself. You...